Yo, what is going on, everyone in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day today as usual. Dude, it is a new month. December 1st, last month of 2025. All right. Quantitative tightening is over. The quantitative easing has begun. I do apologize for yesterday's false information. I thought we were getting a new XRP ETF today. That 21 shares one. Yeah, I thought we were getting a new ETF. I could have sworn. We were getting a new ETF. I guess it's not today. I think it should be soon. But yeah, welcome to the Ponzi crypto market, where the biggest players are two fucking Ponzi schemes. And then everyone's wondering why Bitcoin is just, dude, absolute shitter. Absolute fucking shitter right now. Okay? I don't know. Even like on the all-time chart, the Bitcoin pullback looks bad. The XRP one, not so much, because it's just ranging between the former all-time high and the former almost all-time high ranges from 2017 and 2021. Like, look at this shit. Bro, Bitcoin fucking holy fuck, bro. This looks like... oh my god. Dude, what is going on? Is XRP cooked or cooking, fellas? Let's hold the fucking $2 line, fellas. We are going to hold this motherfucking $2 line. $2 is the new 60 cents. We are holding this fucking thing, fellas. Padman, Fireworks, Chipper, F and Josh, Darkside, D-Bob, Adam Reed, Moonman High, Jewelry Affairs, RPM, Corey Anderson, Head Kase. The new XRP holders deserve to feel some pain before we go up. Mario Adame, Fireworks, Mr. Baldy. Adam Reed, Bitcoin is shit, ETH is shit, Tether is shit, BNB is shit, etc. The overwhelming market cap of the entire cryptocurrency industry is in absolute fucking garbage. I don't know, dude. I think it's time, bro. I think it's time, 2026. I think, like, the ideology of XRP holders should get, like, more radical, honestly. Like, I get that there's this whole, like, oh, tribalism is bad. You know, hey, like, all crypto is equal. Fuck that. Every fucking coin in this fucking Ponzi market, all of them are fucking trash. I'm sorry, all of them are fucking trash, dude. All of them are fucking trash. Bitcoin is slow, old, fucking minor, institutionalized bullshit. They're having a little civil war. Oh my god, core versus knots. They're actually calling each other Nazis. That's what the Bitcoiners are doing. Yeah, all that fucking trillions in market cap. All that trillions in market cap. Everything it's accomplished. They're calling each other Nazis because if you're running Bitcoin knots, you're a Nazi. Ethereum is a fucking joke. Absolute fucking joke. Solana's a fucking scam. BNB is like another type of scam. Tether's a fucking complete Ponzi. And guess what? Tether, as of 3-4 weeks ago, they don't even want to buy Bitcoin anymore. Oh, and that's when Bitcoin decides to fucking drop down by 40 fucking grand. I don't know, fellas. I think 2026, I think we get more radical and we take maximalism to like a whole other level, bro. Like, just constantly fucking on social media and Twitter and everywhere. Just start fucking swinging, bro. At this point, bro, this market is so fucking retarded. XRP is like the only shining light, real world, like actual MasterCard partnerships, BlackRock, you know, settling on the XRPL for real world assets. Like, we are the only legitimate thing in the market. Everything else is garbage. And I am tired of this, whatever Bitcoin's doing today, whatever Bitcoin is doing today, that's what's going to be for today, guys. Whatever Bitcoin does, fuck Bitcoin. Fuck this shit. Tether, okay? Tether. That Ponzi that has somehow not collapsed. one of these U.S. equity market like ratings agencies, they dropped Tether down to like an F rating for like the most like unsafe stablecoin you could possibly fucking be in. So get this. So you guys know Tether. They're like kind of like the central bank of Bitcoin, right? They just print Tether and they just buy Bitcoin. And then, you know, on paper, it's like, oh, well, you know, every Tether we print like is backed 1-to-1 with, you know, assets or equivalents. It's bullshit. They just print, dude. It's like it's thinner printing, and that's how Bitcoin's been inflated, and that's how Bitcoin's been one of the best performing cryptocurrencies over the long term, as become the Tether printer. So, what starts happening when the Tether, the guys who can fucking print free money, don't even want to buy Bitcoin anymore? Do you not see some crazy problem with that? Tether decides to pivot from Bitcoin to gold. Think about that for a second. The guys who are printing thin air stablecoins for free, they don't want to buy Bitcoin with the free money? Holy fuck, dude. This Ponzi market, bro. This fucking Ponzi market, dude, I fucking had it. There's too much market cap. There is too much market cap in absolute dog shit. Fellas, end of 2025, 2026. Nah, dude, we get more radical with the tribalism, dude. I swear to God. This market, like, dude, 99% needs to go to zero. This is, dude, I've had enough of this shit. I've had enough of this shit, bro. Fucking Tether was supposed to implode like years ago, bro. Everyone knows it's trash. Like, Tether is like legitimately gonna like, it's gonna collapse. It's not sustainable. It's a complete scam. You know, that's why you have all these like real stablecoin issues kind of coming out, and they are expecting in the future the stablecoin market's gonna grow. Tether's gonna lose market share over time as it implodes. Because the guys that print the free Tether, the free money, they don't even want to buy Bitcoin. And as soon as they stop doing that, a Bitcoin drops 40 grand. An OG Bitcoin whale from like 2014 fucking cashes out a full billion. The fuck does that guy know, huh? And then on top of that, to make it even worse, we have this like double Ponzi market. Fuck off, TradingView. We have this double Ponzi market where now you have this like MicroStrategy scam. And MicroStrategy, they literally just came out today and said like, oh, well, MicroStrategy stock drops enough, you know, we're going to start selling Bitcoin. Oh my God, get rid of this fucking trash parasite, fucking greedy bullshit out of this market. Oh yeah, MicroStrategy. Oh, my name's the Bitcoin therapist, and XRP's a piece of shit, but you know, but you know, I'm 75% allocated to MicroStrategy. That's down 8% today again. This company that makes no fucking money. They don't make money. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. Connor trying to rage bait. Shut the fuck up. Connor Arthur, what is he saying? Connor Arthur, this guy would have been a multimillionaire if he just invested in Bitcoin ETH in 2018. LMAO, haha. I mean, I did see Ethereum at $2, but you know, it's besides the point. You don't want to shoulda, coulda, woulda yourself to death. I'm happy with the choice I've made. Right, my all-time XRP bag, even at these prices, is still like, you know, still like a minimum 10x off of all the money I put into it. So I'm still happy with it. You know, I mean, if it was just fucking easier to buy crypto back then, and if I wasn't like some 17-year-old retard that didn't know how wire transfers worked, maybe, you know, would have been a little better. But yeah, MicroStrategy. The Ponzi's collapsed. The Ponzi has collapsed, fellas. It's cooked, bro. Yeah, I think, I'm just, bro. At this point, I just want to be radical, bro. I don't want to be like, oh, all crypto are equal. Oh, we're all equal, guys. Fuck you. Fuck this Ponzi market. Tether needs to die. Bitcoin is incredibly overvalued. MicroStrategy can suck my fucking cock with this cult shit. I hope this thing goes to zero. I swear to God. I really hope this thing goes to zero. BNB is a fucking joke. Solana is like literally the reason we don't even have retail in the market right now. We don't even have retail in the market right now. Because you know what happened? You know where the retail went? Yeah, retail came to crypto. And then they all got funneled to Solana through TikTok. And then they pumped up, oh, chill guy. Oh, peanut. And got absolutely fucking rinsed. And then now everyone wants to wonder, like, you know, oh, where's retail? Yeah, we had fucking retail. They were all on Solana and they got rinsed. There you go. Yeah, welcome to Solana. You can deploy fucking 100 meme coins in 1 second. And you can rug them all at the same time. Fuck you, dude. Yeah, bro. It's time to get radical, dude. Like, XRP, we are in our own, I don't want to say bubble. I don't want to say bubble, but like we're in our own space here. We're in our own space, and every other coin can fuck off. I think from this last year, we are like, in a way, we're kind of decoupled on like the macro side. No other coin ripped up 500% in the top 10 after the Donald Trump election. Maybe that's like the years of being suppressed from the lawsuit, just, you know, making up for that. I don't know. But yeah, dude, fuck this market, bro. I'm tired of it. God, like, how does Michael Saylor every fucking day, he comes on Twitter, posts some AI slop garbage about just being a Bitcoiner every day. Just AI slop gets like millions of views every single day. Yeah, Michael Saylor, the same guy who called the end of Bitcoin in 2014, by the way. He's like, oh, Bitcoin is like, this is going to end. This is like, I'm going to be like online gambling. It's going to die. Fucking bandwagoning, grifter. Just go fuck yourself. Like, what does he post AI slop every day for? And your stock price is tanking. Believe it or not, he posts a photo of him escaping the sinking ship on a lifeboat. Yeah, I wonder what that means. Sad some people just worship him. Where did that motherfucker even come from, dude? He showed up like randomly when Bitcoin like first hit like 70K. And then he just gets turned into like a Bitcoin cult leader. Invited to the White House crypto ball. What the fuck does he do for fucking crypto? What? What does he do? Nothing. Oh, takes massive debt obligations and we buy Bitcoin. Oh my god. Fucking Ponzi market, dude. Fucking Ponzi market, bro. Just like more specifically MicroStrategy, but also Tether. It's like, it's just, dude, this market's a fucking joke. All these Bitcoiners, yeah, they just, you know, or these like new age Bitcoiners that basically got late to Bitcoin, but they still think they're gonna make millions on it at fucking 100 fucking K. They think they're still gonna make millions on it. Yeah, these retards don't even like never even set up a wallet before or set up a transaction or received crypto. So they buy MicroStrategy because they don't know what the fuck. They don't know how to use Bitcoin. They don't know, but they know they just like want to invest in it. Oh yeah, newsflash, buddy. You're buying MicroStrategy. That doesn't mean that's not exposure to Bitcoin. Believe it or not. Believe it or not, that is not exposure to Bitcoin. You think it is, it's not. Is this a doom stream? No. No, I'm more bullish than I've ever been on XRP. No, we are like, we've never been in a better position. Okay? I mean, yeah, bro, we haven't had a pump in like like 3 months, but Dude, best believe this is just a pullback. I do not think we go lower from here. There's no way. There's no way. We got former almost all-time high as the support, former all-time high as the resistance, and we are just ranging. That's it. I don't see a world in where we go down from here. Can we talk about the Singapore news? Yeah, literally. Literally, I don't see any other projects getting monetary authority central bank clearance in like top GDP economies around the world. And that's just what Ripple tells us too. That's just what Ripple tells us. That's just the little stuff they let out to the public. Yeah. Ripple has like full legality, regulation, clearance in Singapore to conduct like end-to-end crypto transactions. Abyss Finance, is Cardano dead? Is it a previous bear market lows? I don't know. Cardano's kind of a ghost chain, but it like back in the day, this is why like I don't like to talk shit on Cardano too much. Like, yeah, like no one really uses it, but dude, back in the day, Cardano was the shit, dude. That was like the shit back in the day. So, I don't know. And then Charles Hoskins, and it seems like he kind of made up with the XRP community after we the XRP army is so strong. We made a billionaire fucking cry on live stream. we made a multi-billionaire cry on live stream. That's how much we hurt his feelings. But no, Charles Hoskins, bro. Hey, FAFO, bro. Fuck around, find out, bro. He's like, no, Eastgate is a grand conspiracy. No, it's not, dude. They deliberately, yeah, that was a deliberate attack. That's what that was. That's what the whole lawsuit was. Yeah. Yeah, literally no one is using Added to do shit. I know, but I don't know. Cardano, like, you know, at least it's not like a fucking scam. I just like, I don't know, I kind of have a special place in my heart because, like, oh, like the name Cardano, that makes me nostalgic, dude. That's like, bro, Cardano was the shit back in the day, dude. That was like, dude, it was like, it used to be like the dopest coin, like ever. Dude, it was, yeah. XPR to the moon. Yeah, you guys just want our ticker. That's what you want. Andy GraphX. I've never seen the stars so perfectly aligned with XRP. We're the closest we've ever been, and that's coming from someone who's been here holding strong since early 2017. Exactly, Andy Graph. Exactly, dude. Like, we've never been in like a better spot. All the ETFs coming out. Dude, things are lining up, man. Like, I don't know. I have this kind of conspiracy theory about Ripple. I have this kind of conspiracy theory where they're gonna like they have like some grand master plan to, when the time is right, they're gonna. Hang on, let me tell you about my theory here. This is like my ultimate like tinfoil hat shit, right? And you know, conspiracy theories with XRP, they end up being true. Because like until the lifeboats came out and said, "Hey, dude, they're doing an XRP private ledger," and then everyone, including me, was like, "What are you talking? No, XRP is not private. It's a public ledger." 2020, Ripple running private ledger test with central banks, like, you know. So there are some conspiracy theories that kind of come true. Now, you know, the people saying Jake Clay for $100 by December 31st. Yeah, I'd love to see it. But I think Ripple, the reason why they don't like announce that much stuff like to the market, because like, yeah, okay, yeah, they'll let you know about like acquisitions and then like this little, you know, huge news from Singapore and things like that. I mean, like, yeah, they do make announcements, but there's more going on than what those announcements are. Like, there's much more going on. Right? So I think Ripple, they got this kind of plan where when sentiment in the crypto market just gets like to the like even worse than now, Bitcoin looks like it's legitimately failing. Ethereum, I mean, it's like I think there's a point where the whole crypto market will be like in fucking shambles of like, what the fuck have we been buying this whole time? What is this magic internet money means nothing? What is happening? And they're gonna wait for a time like that and really come out with some kind of group of banks, a consortium of institute, and then go for like a full on, yeah, we are dedicated to the future of running global transactions on the XRPL. And that's going to spark this like mass rotation into XRP. I think that kind of, I think that is like one of their plans, dude, because they very well know that a lot of this market is a joke. A lot of this market is a joke. And there's too much market cap and too much trash. And I think at a certain point, Ripple brings in some kind of psyop in a good way of like, yeah, we're going to be the number one coin. Like, we're doing it. You want to hop on the train or you want to be sidelined? It's up to you, you know, but we're telling you, this is what we're doing. That one guy, Jake Claver, wouldn't put himself out there if he wasn't sure about his statement. Jake Claver has inside info, in my honest opinion. Well, Jake Claver is not the first guy to make a crazy XRP prediction with a date on it, and he definitely won't be the last guy. I wouldn't get your hopes up, okay? $100 by XRP, $100 by December 31st. Okay, buddy, it's like, come on. just don't get your hopes up. Just don't get your hopes up, said. Jory Affairs, we've been saying and believing this stuff since 2017. I'm so tired. I get it. And then, like, you guys are, you know, I completely get the fact that, like, the viewership of my audience, you guys are, like, literally the demographics, you guys are, like, a lot older than me. And I understand we've been waiting a long fucking time. I'm lucky enough to be, like, the age I am where, like, even still, like, you know, I still got a lot of time to wait, but I get, you know, it's been a while, but there's no point turning back here once we've broken away from the penny XRP, and we've gotten to like the early dollar XRP. I don't think there's a point quitting here, and I've been seeing a lot of people capitulating here and quitting here, and I think this is like the worst time to quit. Like, if you're gonna quit, you know what, back here, yeah, whatever, dude, it fucking sucked. Yeah, back here, absolutely suck. Like, yeah, that's the time to be, like, quitting. But here is a really unique point in time it's never been to before. I think it's, like, it's a risk to sell. With, like, the amazing dollar cost averages we have, I think at that point, dude, this is, like, it's, like, risky to get out. Because when you have your entries so good, kind of all back here, some of you legends have entries back here and here. And a lot of people got DCAs here. And then it's like, dude, at this point, like, because your DCAs are back here, like, you're getting a different type of capital gain rather than people who have just, like, for the first time bought, like, here. So if this move comes in that we're kind of speculating on, yeah, the guys that bought in here will be happy. But the guys that fucking bought in here and here are on, like, a whole nother level of percentage gain. So I think, like, at this point, dude, it's, like, risky to sell. I don't know. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some kid on the internet. Or actually, I don't know. I'm 25. Am I still a kid? I don't know. I don't own a home, so I think I'm still a kid. But I'll be, dude, I'll be 26. Holy shit. I'm going to be pushing 30 next year. Yeah, dude, time to get radical with XRP, man. I'm going to, dude, like, 2026 is going to be my tribalism arc. Like, I'm going to be nasty on Twitter. Like, it's just going to, dude, it's just everything is trash. XRP is the chosen one. I swear. I swear, dude. Dweezer Breeze, boys, what's going on? Anybody have opinions on the Crypto Republic? I don't know what that is. I'm tired. I'm old and tired of waiting, but no turning back is a great mantra. Never let go of my XP. Yeah, there's no point. There's no point. Nicholas Poland, sell, sell, sell. Bear market coming in New Year. Christmas done. Tax season on the horizon. People need cash. Sell, sell, sell. No, dude, I refuse to be bearish. I refuse to be bearish. I'm just not gonna be bearish, dude. You could do all your rationality and data and statistics on the economy shit. You know, there's stagnant global growth, but dude. Because, like, think of it this way, right? Think of it this way. In 2025, people always love to talk about and joke about and meme about, oh my God, 10 years ago when Bitcoin was, $100. Oh, what was I doing? Oh, I was playing Call of Duty. I was playing Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 and 3. Oh, I should have been buying Bitcoin. What are people going to be saying in 2035? Oh my God, like this is what I really think about. And what I used to kind of give myself motivation is two things. One, really think about, like, 10 years from now, what are people in the future in 2035 going to be thinking back on? Oh, fuck, I should have got some of this. I think it's XRP. Like, oh, man, XRP's $300 now. It was $2 back in 2025, but I was too busy playing Arc Raiders. Like, that's what people are going to say in 2035. And another thing I like to do is look at Bitcoin forum posts from the early 2010s, bro. So much FUD. So much FUD. They're just like, oh, yeah, Bitcoin, I bought it $1, but now it's $5. I'm selling. I'm done. Rocket. Rocket, rocket, rocket. Carla, hard times create weak hands create hard times. Yeah. Yeah. Nicholas Poland, this year, Bitcoin minus 10%, gold plus 60%. Yeah. I think the era of Bitcoin dominance it's coming to an end, bro. This Bitcoin fucking Ponzi cult shit where there's literally nothing of material at all. Oh, why do you think the biggest fucking funds in the world and an OG Bitcoin whale started pulling out at 120K? They know shit, bro. They know shit. Yeah, Bitcoin's having a civil war right now. They're trying to clog up the blockchain with shit. Give me a break, bro. Bitcoin is like, okay, it's done well, right? Like, of its entire, like, history, dude, it's been, like, one of the greatest investments of all time. But to say from, like, oh, this point forward, this is, like, still going to be the greatest investment. No, bro. It's law of diminishing returns. It's already had its heyday. It's already had its time. And it does nothing. There's nothing there. No one uses Bitcoin. The darknet traders, the drug sellers online, they don't even use Bitcoin anymore. It's all Monero. Nobody uses Bitcoin. It's like, I don't know, bro. I think at some point they just got to admit, like, bro, I think the era of Bitcoin dominance it's like the historical end of that era where we're going to be thinking back like, oh, yeah, remember 2025? Yeah, remember when Bitcoin was like 60% of the entire market cap? Yeah, no, it's not going to be like that forever, bro. It's not. It's really not. Store of value. My coffee table is a store of value. I mean, a store of value ideally is something you can hold in your hand and something that would benefit you and your family during some kind of catastrophe. Right? I don't see Bitcoin as a store of value. It's like, if you want your funds to be stable, I mean, you're doing like gold and silver and shit. You're doing gold and silver, physical, you can hold in your hand. I mean, that's store of value. This whole digital gold store of value narrative, it's so fucking overhyped. They sent Bitcoin to 120K, and there was no retail interested. They get Bitcoin to 126K, and there's no retail interested. There is no buyers after 100K. And they just think, oh, yo, it's the Bitcoin Ponzi. It must continue and keep going up, up, up. Dude, no one wants Bitcoin over at 100K, bro. I don't even think people wanted 80K. It does nothing. There's nothing there. It's over. Enough chat, Cobb. We want to watch you gamble now. Nah. I don't even think you can do that on YouTube. I think you can get banned for that. But yeah, zero retail buyers, very little institutional interest. Why is that? Why is that? Retail buyers are priced out. Institutions see fucking no future of it. Retail is priced out and not interested, even when they sent it all up to 126. And I think all the Bitcoiners were betting that was like the moment it would go to like 150, 200K. So you send it to 126K. There is no Bitcoin Google searches. There is no retail FOMO. There is no Bitcoin wallets, record downloads on the App Store. There's nothing. It's a Tether Ponzi. That's it. Retail totally priced out, not interested. And the institutions are going like, well, it doesn't fucking do anything. Shiny digital rock. Okay. So what? Yeah, it's 100K. Well, we didn't get in. We didn't get in early. So what's the point now? Alex, you should open CSGO cases. Nah, I'll never do that again. Not one time I opened 14 CSGO cases. I got 2 golds. Both of them were like the worst knives ever, and both rust coats. So after that, I don't do it anymore. Crypto is lagging behind the stock market. Stock market is booming right now. That's what I've heard. That's what I've heard. Yeah, stock market's doing pretty good. I don't know. That's a whole nother topic of discussion because I don't think the U.S. economy is doing like too good right now. I don't think things are doing too good. Like the college town near me, like a lot of stuff is closing. A lot. I mean, yeah. I mean, shops that have been there for like a while. Not just, a couple of years or nothing. I mean, they've been there for a while. And yeah, dude, a lot of places are closing. Just like near me, kind of localized, MicroStrategy NAV is now 1.13. Now they will have to sell Bitcoin if it hits 1. Yeah. Call me crazy, but I had a dream. XRP went from $2 to $3.40 to $10.24 to $96.47 in a span of minutes in a dream 2 nights ago. Huh. That's so lucky but unlucky at the same time. Yeah, I know. Japan just blew up. It's a highly concentrated bull in equities. Russell 2000 still having trouble breaking 2021 resistance. Okay. Japan just blew up. Yeah, the whole Japan thing is like, from what I understand. Oh no, USDJPY. Let me see. God damn, 155 to 1. Shit. Yeah, from what I understand with Japan, like you had the COVID and then the 3 years of like no tourism. I mean, I think Japan is one of the countries with like the highest like tourist revenue every single year. And then they had none of that for 3 years, plus COVID. And then the Japan Central Bank, during COVID, they were ripping 0% interest rates for a while. And then I think like all of that has kind of collectively sort of bit them in the ass, where there's just no growth really happening in Japan. They're losing market share. What else? What else have I learned recently? But it's like I don't know. It's like mainly with the Japan central bank because they were juicing 0% interest rates for a long time, and I think that was meant to kind of counteract the effect of COVID in the 3 years of zero tourism. Like, you know how bad that affects, like, you know, because I know, like, when you walk around, like, America, you know, you'll see, like, okay, some mom and pop shops here and there, but, like, dude, in like big cities like Tokyo or Seoul, dude, there is like everywhere there is like individual family owned businesses, like everywhere. And like, you know what fucking happens when there's no fucking tourism, like zero for 3 years? I mean, that is like, yeah, bro, that fucking hurts. Plus the currency getting weak. I don't know. Like, I don't think I'm smart enough to like really understand what's happening in Japan, but I know it's like a combination of like the COVID, the no tourism, and the central bank juicing 0% interest rates for like 3 years, and then now they're starting to raise them again. And then the thing is, because they have their birth rate is one of the lowest. All the investors from just like investors or institutions in general, they're basically pricing in the population decline. Like they're pricing in like no growth, no economic growth. So yeah, I don't know. It's kind of tricky. But highly recommend going to Japan. Great place, dude. I swear to God, like your first time in Tokyo, it's like you're sober, but you feel like you just took a tab of acid and you're just like in some whole other world that doesn't exist. Like, it's crazy. Reverse carry trade coming home to roost. Can you guys explain to me what that is? Because I feel like I don't know enough about... Because there's also another dynamic of Japan where they hold a lot of our bonds and shit like that. They hold like a lot of our U.S. government bonds. Yeah. S200 races, try 19 years, Alex. Big money men have been plowing yen loans at 0 basis points or 50 basis points. And the fucker's about to unwind. Circa 4.5T in the liquidity wall. See, this is the things I don't know, which I want to know about. Rob Perez, do you roll on gut or technical signals more? I mean, I don't trade. I'm not a trader. I just hold. But like my mentality and my sentiment is more... It's kind of both. But yeah, I'm not a trader. They have clothing stores in Japan for big and tall people with names like Fatty and like internationally intentionally offensive names, or is that like China? I mean, dude, you'll find a lot of wacky stores, dude. You'll find like straight anime porn and like the top of buildings. Not that I've been there, but I've seen on YouTube. You can like, yeah, you go to the top of the building. I mean, dude, yeah, no, I swear to God, I don't know how Tokyo is even like a real thing. I swear to God, I am convinced Tokyo doesn't actually exist. It's just when you go there, you get like MK Ultra, and you're just like looking at a simulation of like a cyberpunk city. Like, I swear to God, I don't believe it's like a real place. It's wild, bro. Like the type of shit you can do. They have like fully robot staffed like hotels. Like, it's crazy, bro. It's a wacky place, bro. There's no way I don't know how that's like a real place. Okay, Jay Claver's bold predictions based on the Japan reverse carry trade. Can you guys explain this to me? What this is? What is a whole bunch of yen liquidity released, and then it's gonna like come back to XRP somehow? Gold will continue to pump because of all those robots, self-driving cars, AI data centers require a lot of gold to build and maintain. Yeah, I mean, they use silver too, right? A big correction for the whole market. Everything down except precious metals usually indicates recession. Yeah. Jeff, read my comment above. Jeff says, Japan raises rates. Foreign investment must be sold to cover original loan. Huh. So whatever they invested outside of Japan, they have to sell that to like basically pay off the loan, so they don't have to pay interest now or something. Yeah. The XRP ain't holding strong so much. What do you mean, bro? It's holding the $2 level perfectly. Okay, borrow in a high yield currency and invest in a low yield currency. The opposite of traditional carry trade. It's often used to profit when the yield. Okay. Yes, worldwide margin call. Jeez. Shawnee Montana. Jake Claver said the XRP was going to 20 cents. Do people still believe him as much as he potentially $1,000 by end of year? Or is it because people just want a high price and will hold on to that? I think it's just high price and people will hold on to that. I mean, a lot of people will, like, that's kind of like a marketing strategy in the XRP community. You just make like some crazy price prediction that's going to happen like really, really soon. But then like it's not just a prediction. You also have like your thesis on like why this is going to happen, and then it's like you just go viral, and then everyone knows who you are, and then another guy will be doing it next year. Like take a different guy. That's literally like a strategy in the XRP community. Make some crazy fucking prediction with like a little thesis, and then people will they'll cling on to it pretty hard. What are you doing, buddy? You need a bath. That's what you need. You need a bath. Stinky dog. I doubt we'll see the XRP below $1, not for a sustained time anyways. I don't even think we realistically go below $2. Right now, sentiment, bear market, whatever. Dude, this is the support zone. This is the zone where we bounce and create a bottom. Please, Cobb, give us some good hopium. We are begging you. The unforeseen BlackRock ETF announcement. There you go. 25 milligram dose of hopium. That's coming at some point, bro. They're not. Yeah. Jay Clare's predictions are too high. He's saying $750 by the end of the year. I don't know. It sounds kind of stupid, but I really hope people don't make drastic financial decisions based off of that. Like you really drink the Kool-Aid and you're like, oh yeah, it's gonna hit $750 end of year, and you start fucking. You buy some car with a huge loaner because you really are convinced it's happening. Yeah, I don't know. I missed High Desert Garden. I missed the days when you used to stream almost every day. Hey, I'm streaming every day now, bro. I'm streaming every day now. I mean, yeah, during like the Thanksgiving time, I didn't stream. I mean, because there was like literally nothing going on. It was just XRP magnet at 219. Didn't even move at all. Ripple Prime to 50. 10-year car note, 50-year mortgage. Oh, dude. Oh, God. The auto loan market is so predatory. My God, bro. My God. I think, like, in a lot of states, the state maximum interest rate on an auto loan is like 40-something%. Yeah, now people get into some wild, people do get into some wild fucking auto loans, dude. Yeah, you look up on like TikTok, and you'll see some chick with a super decked out Jeep with all the options on it, and then you're like, oh yeah, like all this money I'm paying every month, and like my principal's not going down. It's almost like I haven't been paying anything at all. It's like, well, when your interest rate's 25%, yeah, it's all going to the interest. That's it, dude. That's it. I mean, I wish in schools, maybe instead of teaching you, gender affirming studies, maybe they'd fucking teach kids like, hey, yeah, maybe don't go sign the loan for 30%. Yeah, maybe we kind of break down like why you shouldn't do that. Oh no! Keep the population stupid so you can control them. That's basically what it is. But yeah, no, I really think I think the government's doing a shitty job. In high school, there should be kind of like they should fucking teach you, like, you know, they should teach you things to, like, so you don't get fucked over when you grow up. My buddy got a 7-year note on a 2019 Hyundai. Yeah, on my Tacoma, I got a 5-year note, and then I just paid it off in like 4 months. I just did the loan just to, like, because I didn't want to, like, pay all the money, like, right on that day. But I'm like, you know, kind of do like half now and then half, like, you know, in a couple months or something, so it doesn't feel so, like, big. But that's why I did it. But I think I only paid like fucking $200 in interest the whole time, even just for those like 5 months. Yeah, they need debt. They need the suckers. Okay. All right. Okay. Apparently, this is the Jake Claver stream now. Okay. Understating Jake's stance on XRP doesn't mean everyone agrees. Jake knows more about finance than anyone in the comment section. He's invested. Ah! Oh my fucking god, dude! Dude. You don't understand. That's a marketing strategy in the XRP community. That's a marketing strategy, dude. It's literally marketing. You know how many times the XRP community has been abused for, like, free marketing, dude? I have seen this playbook over and over and over again. Over and 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 over in fucking 9 years. I've seen it all the fucking time, bro. It's just some dude comes out, makes a crazy prediction. Okay, well now he's an XRP YouTuber, gets to do YouTube. Oh, his prediction in the first place fucking wrong, didn't hit. Doesn't matter. Doesn't fucking matter. Because you make a big prediction and you put it to a really close-up date, maybe like a month or two away. Then you go, okay, well, this is why this is going to happen. And you got fucking guys like this. It's like, oh, no, you don't understand this guy. He really knows. Like, he really got into... I fucking heard that all the time. It's all bullshit. It's all bullshit, dude. I mean, that better be rage bait. I really don't hope people think like that. Good God. Yes, when you watch a clip of Jake Claver talk about the XRP ETFs and OTC supply and dark pool supply drying up and they come to the open market, like, yeah, it does get you hyped, like, for sure. He's got away with words. All right? It got me hyped. But don't fucking sit here and be like, oh, December 31st, oh my God, it's just going to be correct. Because it's not going to be correct. I will bet my entire life savings is not going to hit.
He owns a financial company, for crying out loud. You have to have $500,000 for his services.
This better be rage bait. No, this better be rage bait. That is fucking scary if this guy's being serious.
He owns a financial company.
Oh, and how's he getting all the... Okay, there's where the free marketing's going. He's getting funneled to that. There you go, dude. I don't even, like, fucking get attached like any prediction, dude. I swear to God. Just don't. Dude, is this guy Adrian rage baiting? I really can't tell. I really can't tell. No, I really can't tell. I really can't tell if he's, like, rage baiting or being serious. Damn. Hey, XRP's holding $2. What do you know? What do you know? Jake is an ass clown. I mean, I personally like him. I don't know anything about his company or the services he offers people. I don't know anything about that. But, like, the clips of him, this is the thing. The clips of him talking about the ETFs and, like, and all these things of, like, oh, like the supply shock theory, essentially, and, like, how that comes back to, like an XRP, like, face melting. I mean, it does get you hyped. Like, I actually like it. I like watching it. But you gotta, like, balance it with, like, okay, I mean, is it really gonna hit, $100 in 31st? Who knows, right? You know, Guys, stop. He's gonna crash out. Yeah, I'm pretty close to a crash out. S200 rate. I trust myself, my own research, and my time in the game. Since Cobb was teenage investor, we got this, boys. Don't pay attention to the salesman. Buy and hodl. Simple's XRP's #1. Exactly. Exactly. It's the only way to survive. JP says, quit sucking Jake's nuts, cobble dick. Okay. Okay, JP, now you're making me fucking crash out. Fuck you. Fuck you, retard. I'm just saying. Just go fuck you. No, just get fucking timed out. Just get fucking timed out. Fuck you. Fuck you. You're a fucking retard. Fuck you. I'm trying to stay balanced here. Oh god, I want to crash out. All right, let's talk about something else, guys. Come on. All right, let's look up crypto news today. Crypto news. Let's go to Singapore. I still can't, bro. I still can't believe that, man. I still can't believe he got trolled halfway around the world. That's like, dude, that's like the most legendary thing in the XRP community. Oh, so funny. All right, crypto news. President Trump maybe will pay off the 35 trillion US debt in crypto. Yeah, okay. Eric Trump unveils America Bitcoin mining facility, touting expanding US role in crypto infrastructure. Now, if Bitcoiners really had balls, you would get rid of these fucking Chinese ASICs controlling the network. It's so toxic. Copy a meter on your screen to display how close you are to a crash out. I was thinking about actually getting a heart rate monitor to put up on the screen. A lot of streamers do that nowadays. I was kind of thinking about it. But, silver ripping ass? Probably. Dude, silver is like the XRP of the metals market, bro. Holy shit! Woohoo! Damn, silver! That's a fucking generational move right there. Damn! Oh, dude. That makes my my 2020 silver bug self happy. I mean, I bought like I used to have like gold and silver back in the day, and then as soon as like I was up like 50%, I sold both of them. I don't know. I kind of wanted the money for something. But damn, $58 an ounce. Woo-hoo! That's nice to see. That's nice to see. I am happy for all the silver guys out there. Because these fucking cocksucking cockroach banks have been beating this motherfucker down for decades. They have been suppressing this thing so hard. That's nice to see. That's really nice to see. That actually, I have no exposure to silver. That makes me happy. That's like, okay. Yeah, these silver guys, yeah, they were right all along. All right, guys. It's been a good stream. I'm going to bounce out of here, fellas, all right? Yeah, let's just get this market to turn around. XRP holding $2, bounce incoming, unforeseen announcement. We'll get there. But yeah, we'll get the bounce, fellas. Hey man, don't stop. I just got here. Yeah, no, I gotta end the stream right now. I got stuff to do. All right, fellas. Good to see you guys. We're back with the daily streams. XRP, $2 iron wall. We're gonna hold. Best believe we get back up. All right, don't get too bearish out there on me. See you guys in the next one. All right.